here we are at our Alabama homestead, and Mark and I are unloading the truck. Now, this is day 2 of unloading. We really didn't bring a lot of items, certainly not large items, mostly Mark's tools so that he could work on the property. And I packed up all sorts of essentials for the bathroom, the bedroom, and the kitchen. So it wasn't a huge unloading, but it was still substantial enough for the two of us. So anyway, this is the second day, and we finally got it all done, and glad to have everything inside the home, and we're able to drop off the truck. And of course, now all the heavy work begins. And one of the issues with buying a foreclosure is that you have lots and lots of issues to encounter and deal with. And one of them that we were aware of was that all the items from the house had been stashed in two outbuildings, one of them being the pump house and the other one being the garage area. And the pump house is actually loaded to the hilt with garbage, and we also had a roof cave in on the back end of the pump house, so made it very difficult to get into the unit because things have shifted, and Mark had to initially take the door off in order for us to even access the unit properly. So that was the first stage, and the intent here was just to clear enough items off the well so that we could have somebody come in and show us what was needed to be done to get the well up and running. We did get the electrical running the day before, so that was in working order, more or less. Certainly lots of items that, fans maybe don't work, and electrical heating elements don't work, and these are the sort of things you have to straighten out with a place like this. But the major intent here at this point is just to clear a path. There is no way that we got all the garbage out of this pump house, water well pump house. But we did clear enough that the gentleman who will be coming to service the unit tomorrow, and I know there might be parts missing, and I've never dealt with a well in the past, and neither has Mark. We've always been on city water, so we really did need the assistance of somebody who understands these things and could help us get the water up and running. Now, once we get the water and the electricity up, then we could actually probably move into the place and start the renovations. But it's, as I said, most of the garbage is in these two units, and let me tell you, it was quite the job just to clear this little bit in order to get access to the well. And there's going to be lots and lots of garbage to be removed from this place, but we're hoping to make it a home, and it does have its moments of frustration, and then at the end of the day you also feel good with the amount that you accomplished. So it's all good. It's all part of the process. We knew what we were getting into, more or less. I mean, there's always surprises. There's things that we know we have to do immediately, and we'll get to work on those one at a time. So this is us trying to make a home out of what was once not a bad little place, but it has certainly gone through some sad times, and hopefully we can bring it back into something that is sweet and lovely and at least livable. Anyway, this is Tony from Her Homestead Skills. I hope you're enjoying our little adventure here and moving along with us, and we'll keep in touch. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye for now.